Turtle balloon tutorial. Start by making an apple twist. Twist several sections. Tuck the knot into the balloon apple knot. Then, make 4 consecutive 2-finger single bubbles, one after another. Fold, wrap, and secure. Push out the air slightly, then twist a 4-finger wide single bubble. Thread the single bubble through the center. Deflate from the end. Leave a little air. Tie a secure knot. Wrap the remaining balloon around a single bubble. Thread the tail up through the bottom. Adjust the shape. Attach the tortoise shell and you're done.